Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here, and I'm on today with some happy mail that I received this week from Lorrie Rink at Lorrie is Inspired. And this video is also going to have a collective haul from TEMU and AliExpress, and they're very small hauls. So hopefully I can get this all into one video that won't take up too much time. So anyway, let's get into this happy mail because this to me is the most important thing. Love, love, love. So, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful paper. Oh, it's so pretty, and she's got stamped on here this lovely rose, and it says a note from Lorrie. Wow, either she made this herself or she had this special made for her. Really, really pretty. And on the inside, she has a little note. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So she sent me some of these epoxy stickers. And I had, when I opened her unboxing of the hostess gift she sent me for my old school shoebox Valentine swap, she had included in the embellishment box a little cabochon. And I'm like, oh, how did you do that? And so she said, well, I used these little epoxy stickers. And I was so enthralled by them, she actually sent me a pack of them. So thank you so much, Lorrie. I really appreciate that. And I'm going to definitely give those a try. And then her little note says, have fun with these. I got them originally to use with the KS Craft bottle cap die set, but tons of ideas, bottle caps, etc. They are 25 millimeter, 1-inch punch. So if you use a 1-inch punch to punch out your paper and put this on top, it should fit perfectly. Paper hugs, Lorrie. So thank you so much, Lorrie. I really appreciate you sending these to me, and for the sweet, sweet note, your lovely paper that you have here. I got a funny feeling you printed this yourself, but anyway, it's lovely, and I thank you so much, and I'm definitely going to be using those. Probably later this week, I'll try to use some of those. So thank you so much. And then let me get into my AliExpress haul, which is really pretty small. So you'll see here I have scattered around these pretty red and white conversation hearts. So I did get these from Ali, and you get 10 red and 10 white in a pack. And I can't remember how much any of these items are, but if you just look up conversation hearts on AliExpress, you will be able to find these because they just pop right on up. And then I picked up this stamp set, and I plan to use this. Right now I'm going to be using it for friend mail and for Valentine cards because I think it really works well for both. Because this one says, you have my whole heart always. Oh, you have my whole heart and always will. Celebrate your day. Our friendship makes me smile. Love, every moment matters. So I just think there's a good variety here for friendship cards, thank you cards, Valentine cards, and a lot of everyday moments, like every moment matters. So that's really cool. And this also is a very big stamp set. You get 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15 stamps on there. Very, very nice. And then I picked up a package of 10 of these little Sanrio Hello Kitty cabochons. Okay, I'll just show you those really, really quick. Super, super cute. And I don't know the name of hardly any of these characters, so I'm not even going to try to tell you. All I know is Hello Kitty. Very, very cute, though. And this one is adorable. Look at that little one. So you get 2 of each in the package. So that's my big, giant AliExpress haul. Okay, just going to move that aside. And then from TEMU, I picked up a package of the silver eye pins to use for jewelry making, and these are silver 50 millimeters, so they're nice and long if you want to add a lot of stuff on your dangle before you put your little loop on there. So those are good. I didn't remember that I was getting those safety pins / kilt pins from, I think it was BB Craft. I just showed those in an unboxing a few days ago. But I had already had an order placed with TEMU for these gold ones. And these are all the same. They're about 2 inches long, and they all have 3 little loops on them. And I got 12 in a pack. I don't remember what they were, but I'm sure they were more than they were on BB Craft. So that came from from TEMU. Then I picked up a pack of these, and I got several of these. And you know, I recently did some BB Craft. Actually, I have it right here. The silver one. I made the puff ball out of the chiffon flowers. So I decided I needed gold too. So I picked up a whole bunch of these. So these will be fun for crafting with. I did pick up 3 different sets of these rhinestone heart pendants. So we have the blue, we have the pink, and we have the diamond. And let's see, you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in a pack of those too. So I got all 3 colors. Love, love, love. Then I picked up 2 packages of this really, really pretty trim. And I actually was looking, I used this trim on my Valentine shoebox that's going to be going out in the swap this week. But the color was, and actually I have a snippet of it right here. Hang on one second. Where is that? Here we go. Here's the little leftover piece I had. And I liked using this so much, I went back onto TEMU to see if I could find more, and they're out of stock of this color. But I did find this beautiful pink. So I picked up 2 packages of that. And you get, I think this is a yard. So you get a whole yard, and it's just gorgeous. Really, really pretty. So that's that. And then for the jewelry making that I am trying out with the beads I'm getting from BB Craft, I picked up this jewelry twine, and I think it's a Japanese jewelry twine, or I don't know, Chinese, whatever, but it's a lot thicker than I imagined it would be, so I'm not sure it's going to work right for me, but I'm going to give it a try. But it's a whole lot more sturdy than the twine that I used for the bracelet that I had made earlier. So I'm going to give this a try and see if that doesn't work. And the last, oh no, I got 2 more things in this haul. I did pick up one of these little storage containers, and it's got 12 drawers. And I got this because, if you remember, on my community page, I posted a poll where I was asking how people were saving their items they got from the Happy Crafter shop. So I was thinking about doing hers separately from my regular bead and charm stash, but it looks like most people, actually 90%, said that they incorporated it with their regular things. The only reason why I would want to separate it is if I were wanting to specifically mention where I got a product, then it would be stored separately, but I don't know. I probably won't do that, and I will use this for something else. But this is a good size box. Let me just measure it right quick. Okay, so it is 7 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and looks like 3 3/4 inches deep. And like I said, you do get 12 drawers. So that's that. And the last thing I got in this haul was 2 packages of this paper collection. And actually, this is called Shabby Cupcake, and I actually ordered this quite a while ago, and apparently it's been hung up someplace because I just got it yesterday, I think it was. But you get 8 designs. Really, really pretty. They are single-sided, but it is a nice weight paper. It's not super, super heavy, but it's not the really, really thin paper either. But look at how pretty that is. Really, really pretty. And you can use this as cut-aparts. This is gorgeous. I love this right here. The teacups and the bicycle. This would be great for your Valentine crafting. And then there's this one. It's got like little stamps up here. More little cutouts. You can use this as a washi if you wanted to. Very pretty. And then here we have a little tea set with cupcakes and a little picture on the wall. Very cute. Love the colors in this. More sweet treats and tea. And then this one here, we've got napkins and hearts and oven mitts. We've got baked goods, donuts, all kinds of yummies in there. Look at this piece of strawberry pie. And the last piece is this printed piece here. Just looks like printed images. So that's it. That's my haul from AliExpress. Oh, I'm sorry, this is TEMU, then AliExpress, and my happy mail from Lorrie. Thank you so much, Lorrie. I really, really appreciate you sending me these epoxy stickers. Like I said, I am definitely going to be trying these out this week. I'm pretty sure I have a punch this size. I've got a bunch of little circle punches. And if not, I can cut out 1-inch circles on my Cricut machine and try it that way. But yeah, that's what I got for you today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little haul and seeing my lovely happy mail from Lorrie. And I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.